25 meters, rapid fire pistol man, final. Athletes to the line. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our athletes. Preparation begins now. End of preparation. For the sighting series, load. Bondaruk, guys, Besage. Attention. Klimov, Yames, right. Attention. Unload. Please lay down your pistols and turn to face spectators.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the European Shooting Championships, I welcome you to the final of the 25-metre rapid-fire pistol men's competition. I will now introduce our athletes to you. Starting from your left, on lane A, we have Roman Bondaruk representing the Ukraine. Now, Roman, wait. Let me tell you a little bit about each of our athletes, and then you can applause. Roman, he was first in the World Championships in Osijek back in 2013. He was fifth in the World Championships in Grenada, and fifth at Fort Benning, and fifth in the European Games in Baku earlier this year. So congratulations, welcome, Roman Bondaruk. On lane B, we have Mr. Alexei Klimov, representing the Russian Federation. Back in 2012, he was first in the World Cup in Milan, also the World Cup in London. In 2014, he was first in the World Cup in Munich, and third earlier this year in Munich. He was second in the European Games in Baku. So again, welcome, Alexei Klimov. In lane C, we have Oliver Geiss, representing Germany. He was second in the World Championships in Grenada last year, and this year alone he's been first at Benning, second in Changwon, and he also was in the European Games in Baku, where he came third. So welcome, Oliver Geiss. In lane D, we have Jorge Lames from Spain. He was in the Olympic Games in London. He was first in the European Champions Osijek back in 2009. Second in Belgrade in 2011, and he's been at many, many World Cups since 1998. He also was in Baku, where he came fourth. So welcome, Jorge Lames. On lane E, we have Clément Besseguet from France. Clément was fifth in the World Cup Munich last year. He was first in the European Championships in Belgrade in 2011. He again was another athlete who was at Baku. He came seventh on that occasion. So welcome, Clément Besseguet. And on lane F, we have Christian Reitz representing Germany. Christian was at the Olympic Games in London, where he came sixth. His most recent, he again, was in Baku, where he came first. He's had 10 golds in World Cups since Rio in 2008. They are all very experienced athletes. So in this case, welcome, Christian Reitz. Our jury member in charge is Mr. Vasilis Delios from Greece. And our chief range officer is Mr. Mitja Grigic from Serbia. Now, just let me tell you, on this there are 2 quota opportunities. 2 of our athletes have opportunities for 1 quota place that will be awarded in this competition. And just as a recap, we have the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 7th athletes that were in Baku. So in fact, we've almost got a repeat of that final. I'm sure you'll enjoy this one. It'll be very close. Support our athletes, congratulate them once more, and let's enjoy the final.
Take your positions. Load.
So the finals now comprise 8 series of 5 shots to be fired in 4 seconds. All our athletes will fire 4 series, that's 20 shots, after which the lowest will be eliminated, and then 1 further elimination after every subsequent 5-shot series. Good luck to all of you.
Bondaruk, attention, Bondaruk, 5 kids. Klimov, attention, Klimov, 5 kids. Guys, attention, guys, 5 kids. Yames, attention, Yames, 3 kids. Besagim, attention, Besagim, 3 kids. Rights, attention, rights, 3 kids.
So, after the first series, as you say, an excellent start by Bondaruk, Klimov and Geiss, all with the maximum 5 hits and 3 hits for each of the other 3 athletes. But we still have 3 more series of this to go before the first elimination. So let's carry on.
Bondaruk, attention. Bondaruk, 3 hits. Klimov, attention. Klimov, 4 hits. Guys, attention. Guys, 5 hits. Yames, attention. Yames, 4 hits. Besagi, attention. Besagi, 2 hits. Right, attention. Right, 2 hits.
So we've now completed our second series. Mr. Geiss, another perfect score of 5, puts him at the top of the leaderboard with 10, but then closely followed on 9 by Alexei Klimov. 2 more series to go before we have our first elimination.
Bondaruk, attention. Bondaruk, 3 kids. Klimov, attention. Klimov, 4 kids. Guys, attention. Guys, 2 kids. Yames, attention. Yames, 4 kids. Besagem, attention. Besage, 3 kids. Right, attention. Right, 1 kid.
So after 15 shots there, Mr. Klimov, with 4 hits on that occasion, puts himself at the top of the leaderboard, followed by Mr. Geiss, 1 point behind, and then Bondaruk and Lames are both 2 points behind Mr. Klimov. After this next 5 shots, we will have our first elimination. At the moment, it's Christian Wright who is in the danger zone, but can he save himself?
Bondaruk, attention. Bondaruk, 1 hit. Klimov, attention. Klimov, 5 kids. Guys, attention. Guys, 4 hits. Yames, attention. Yames, 4 kids. Besagi, attention. Besagi, 4 kids. Right, attention. Right, 3 kids.
So, all of our athletes have now fired 20 shots. Mr. Klimov, for that excellent 5 points, reinforces his position at the top with 18 points. But unfortunately, it was a bad day at the office for Christian Wrights. So, Christian in 6th place. Thank you and congratulations. Now, this situation now is very interesting because Mr. Besagay and Mr. Bondaruk, both of the athletes, they are the two that are in contention for the quota place that is available, and they are both on 12 points each. So maybe this series can decide, A, who gets eliminated, and B, the one that stays possibly gets the quota place.
Bondaruk, attention. Bondaruk, 3 kids. Klimov, attention. Klimov, 4 kids. Guys, Attention. Guys, 4 kids. Yames. Attention. Yames, 4 kids. Besa game. Attention. Besa 3 kids. And we have shoot off. Bondaruk. Attention. Bondaruk, 4 kids. Besa game. Attention. Besa 3 kids.
So, as you saw in that shoot-off, 4 hits for Mr. Bondaruk and 3 for Mr. Besagay. Congratulations to both of them. But Mr. Besagay, in 5th place, we have to say goodbye to you. So we move on to the next series with Mr. Klimov just 2 points ahead of Mr. Geiss, and then Mr. Geiss is just 1 point ahead of Mr. Lames. Bondaruk at this stage is in the danger zone.
Bondaruk. Attention. Bondaruk, 2 kids. Klimov. Attention. Klimov, 4 kids. Guys, attention. Guys, 5 hits. Yames. Attention. Yames, 4 hits.
So after 30 shots, just outside the medals, unfortunately, but nevertheless, I'm sure he's pleased with his performance today. Roman Bondaruk from Ukraine. And so we go. We have our medalists standing in front of us. Which colour, which each of them get? This is still to be decided. Alexei Klimov has the slight advantage of 1 point over Oliver, and then Jorge is 2 points behind Oliver. Let's carry on.
Klimov. Attention. Klimov, 3 hits. Guys, attention. Guys, 4 hits. Yames. Attention. Yames, 3 hits.
So after 35 shots, in third position, now bronze medalist, Jorge Lames from Spain. And now we have equivalent of a sudden death. Both of our athletes on the line have 29 points each. And so this series will decide who gets the gold and who gets the silver.
Klimov. Attention. Klimov, 4 hits. Guys, Attention. Guys, 5 kits. Unload. Results are final.
So, ladies and gentlemen, that was a very exciting final there. As I said, it was a fantastic last performance for Oliver Geiss. So, our medalists in third place, representing Spain, Jorge Lames. In second place, from Russia, Alexei Klimov. And in first place, gold medal and European champion, Oliver Geiss from Germany. Fantastic. I'm sure everybody wants to congratulate them now. And I'll just remind you, ladies and gentlemen, the medal ceremony for this event is scheduled for 4:30, 16:30 hours. Please come and see them get their medals. Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, we will now proceed on behalf of the European Shooting Confederation with the medal ceremony for the 25-metre rapid-fire pistol men individual competition. Please greet our medalists. Medals will be presented by Mr. Øystein Nilsen from Norway. He's on the equipment control and the pistol jury. He is assisted by Mr. Jan Olof from Sweden, also a member of the pistol jury. Our bronze medalists representing Spain, Jorge Lames. The envelopes being presented contain a personal gift from Mr. Vladimir Lisin, Chairman of the European Shooting Confederation. Our silver medalists representing the Russian Federation, Mr. Alexei Klimov. And our gold medalist and European champion for 25-metre rapid-fire pistol men representing Germany, Oliver Geiss. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand and respect the national anthem of Germany. The medal ceremony for the 25-metre rapid-fire pistol men team event. Please greet our medalists. On this occasion, the medals will be presented by Mr. Jan Olof from Sweden, member of the pistol jury, assisted by Mr. Øystein Nilsen from Norway, also member of the pistol jury and equipment control. Our bronze medalists in third place, representing France, Clément Besseguet, Boris Artul and Fabrice Dumal.
Spodnje televizore gasnete? Spodnja televizija, one. Ne smete nam. Okay.
The silver medalists representing the Ukraine, Roman Bondaruk, Vladimir Pasternak and Denis Kushnirov. And our gold medalists and European champions for 25-metre rapid-fire pistol men team event, representing Germany, Christian Reitz, Oliver Geiss and Philipp Wagenet. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand for the anthem for Deutschland. Congratulations to all the medalists. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. That concludes the medal ceremonies for today. Thank you.